So there's this fresh new method that I discovered and can't wait to share with you. If you're someone who is always watching videos about generating money online, this brand new method will be great for you. How much money can you make from this? Suppose you can make about $41,000 per month simply by sharing links. I've only been doing this for a few days and I've always been able to make this much money. Imagine the earning possibilities with this brand new technique if we tried it for a month. If you watch all the way to the end, I'll show you some unique additional steps that will help you make even more tips. The information I'll share with you isn't widely known and you'll only see these suggestions on my channel. Therefore, I strongly advise you to watch the entire video. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, take a look at all these campaigns right here. We will be using these campaigns in order to make us some money. I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to earn from this. So keep on watching. Don't worry, because this website is available in all countries around the world. So wherever you are right now, you will be able to earn money from this. What I like about this is that even if you have zero experience and doing online jobs, you can very much earn from this because this strategy, which I'm about to show you, is 100% beginner friendly. The website that we will be using in today's video will be this one called Kick Booster. Simply head over to kickbooster.me and then you will be able to see their homepage, which looks like this. What you need to do right now is to hover at users and then click on affiliates right here, and then it will take you to this page where you can read more about being an affiliate marketer on this website. Then click on affiliates right here, and then it will take you to this page where you can read more about being an affiliate marketer on this website right now. On this page, you can see here that you can earn rewards for sharing the projects that you love. And when you scroll down below, you'll see that you can use Kick Booster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link. You can also share your affiliate links through your blog, social media, email, or wherever you'd like, and watch the commissions roll in. The more you share, the more you earn. That is a very great way to earn money, right? When you scroll down further, you'll be able to see the process on how to become an affiliate marketer for this website. And it's as simple as 4 steps, and I'll walk you through those 4 steps so that you can earn a lot of money from this website too. So, to earn money from this website, you first need to sign up for a free account. You will need to create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes, and you don't have to pay for anything. The next step is to pick a project to promote. As I've shown you in the beginning, they have a lot of projects that you can choose from and earn money from. You can browse through their marketplace to find awesome projects to share, and then you need to spread the word. You can generate a unique affiliate link with a click of a button and share it with your network. You can share it wherever you want, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any social media of your choice. Lastly, when you've done all the previous steps, you can sit back and relax and wait for your commissions to come. It's truly that simple. If you think that was fast, don't worry because I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial later on so that you will not get lost. A lot of people usually skip through the video and they end up not earning anything at all. And I don't want that to happen to you because I want you to earn money from the strategies that I'm showing you. And that's why you need to watch this video all the way until the end. So for the first step, you need to have an affiliate account on Kick Booster. And all you need to do is to scroll down on the bottom of the page and then you will click on this purple button that says Sign Me Up. After clicking that, you'll be redirected to this page for affiliate marketer sign up. Simply provide your details on these boxes and don't forget to tick on this box to agree to their terms and conditions. To finish the sign-up process, click on this box where it says I'm not a robot and then click on the submit button. You now have an affiliate marketer account on Kick Booster. It's that simple to create an account on Kick Booster. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. After creating an account, you will now be redirected to your very own dashboard. On this dashboard, you will be able to see how much money you've earned so far from your affiliate links. Since this account is brand new, there are no earnings yet. But after you watch this video, you will be able to see that $0 turns into 100, then to 500, then to 1,000, and so on and so forth. So you better keep watching. The next thing to do right now is to look for projects to promote. To do that, simply click on Marketplace, and then you'll be redirected to Kickbooster's Marketplace. So when you try to scroll down to this page, you'll be able to see some of the projects that are available on Kickbooster. On the left side, you can actually choose which category you want to see. The Kickbooster Marketplace is full of products that you can promote. They have beauty and personal care products, design, education, everyday carry, fashion, food, games, health, home goods, outdoor sporting goods, technology, and travel. Simply click on any of these categories to see the available projects in just a moment. I'll show you which category to choose in order to earn the maximum amount of money that will be very easy for you. You don't need to worry about anything, and the best thing is, this is 100% free. You don't need to invest your hard-earned money in order to do this. Okay, so the categories which I've tried and tested are design, health, and technology. These three categories have products that you can promote and will give you a lot of commission, so click on these three categories and then Kickbooster will show you the products under the three categories as mentioned at the start of the video. I will now give you a bonus tip. So in this drop-down menu, which says Sort By, I want you to choose on Commission High to Low, because in that way, you'll be able to see the products that give a high commission when you promote them. After you choose that, Kickbooster will now show you the products with the highest commissions. When you scroll down to this page, you'll see these products that will give you a very high commission. You can see that these products will give you somewhere between 20 to 30 in commissions, and for me, that's quite a big amount, and you don't have to do a lot anyway. You only need to share the affiliate link and wait for people to click on your link, and then they will give you your commission. That's awesome, right? So, now we need to choose a product. You can actually choose anything you like, but for this video, I'll be choosing this product since it has a high commission percentage. When you click on the product, you'll be redirected to their landing page where you can see more details about it. As you can see, they will actually give you 30 commission of every dollar you help raise for their campaign. I'll now click on this View Campaign button in order to read more about the project. I think this is actually a great product and a lot of people will actually click on it. When you share this to them, the great thing about this is that you don't need a lot of people to click on your affiliate link in order to earn money. You just need around 3 to 4 people, and you will be able to earn a good amount of commission already to start promoting this product. You can simply click on this button, and then you'll be given a special affiliate link which you can copy and share to other people. You might ask, where can I share my link? Well, don't worry, because I'll be showing you some different traffic sources where you can share your link. And I know that a lot of people are on these websites because I use them myself. The first website where there's a lot of traffic is over at Quora.com. Now, I've talked about this website before, and I think you already are familiar with this one, because what you need to do on Quora is to simply search on technology. You'll be able to see people who are talking about this topic, and these people will be interested when you share with them the product that you found on Kickbooster. You can simply reply on any of these posts, and then talk about the product that you found, and then share them with your affiliate link. The second website is Facebook. I know a lot of you have Facebook accounts and that you can actually use that to promote your affiliate link. What you need to do on Facebook is search for technology enthusiasts and click on groups. And what you can do here is simply join any of these groups. You can then interact with the members and then share with them the product from Kickbooster using your affiliate link. You can do this again and again since Kickbooster has a lot of products that you can choose from. In a matter of days, you'll be able to receive your commissions and then spend that money however you want. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.